sell the best goods available in attractive stores staffed with first-class assistants. Booths has been living by this for over 17 decades. But just like any other businesses, due to changes in consumer behavior, a significant amount of waste from the bakery section is being disposed every day. To reduce bakery waste by 15%, Booths must maximize the efficiency on reducing waste through its relax forecasting. Little case can be used as an example. The main root of the problem was not the system, but failure to adjust. To improve and increase the minimization of food waste, Booths has to do the following. The openness to a new approach and willingness to adapt will reduce the differences between the business model and software, leading to the goal accomplishment. This includes setting up a structure that provides training and support for this transition. Simple and accessible training will promote employees to the new working concept. When a process has to be customized for an organization, it opens the door for complications. Simple system provides high quality and accurate data. Analyzing the data allows Booths to track the demand more effectively. This is crucial for them to be able to maintain the integrity of the system.
Switzerland Co-op has reduced food waste by 37% with the use of demand forecasting in Kitro. Kitro is a software that tracks and measures all the food waste that is thrown into the bin throughout the day and creates detailed food waste reports that helps restaurants and food outlets to get a full understanding about the waste. Kitro is popular among fresh bakery section and hospitality industry as it captures the time of disposal, weight of waste, and takes pictures of food thrown into the bin. The software then uses image processing and analyzes the data to determine food waste. Once Booths have this information, they can take steps to change its workflow and become more efficient, which can be done by analyzing both the data from Kitro software and forecasting to adjust to the right amount of fresh bakery to put out each day and reduce the amount of food waste.
Regarding unsold food, Booth's current strategy is to have a partner charity called a Food Bank Champion for each store. Only 7 out of 20 such stores have one. We use our local Booth store as a case study on their process. The store partners with 2 charities, the Food Bank Egg Cup, which collects on Tuesdays, and Watford Animal Sanctuary. Due to legislation, Egg Cup only collects packaged and dated food at a maximum of 3 days past its best by date. Watford only collects remaining food not baked in store, as the store's baked goods are baked in the animal-related products, which is against animal feed legislation. A weakness of this strategy is that any unsold goods baked on site 3 days after Egg Cup's collection date cannot be donated to either charity and is therefore wasted. As a solution, we suggest Booths uses the B Corp certified Too Good To Go app. Too Good To Go is the #1 app in the world for food reduction and purpose of a greener planet. As of 2021, they operate in 17 countries, with 37 million users showing the app's desirability by saving 70 million meals through 87,000 plus businesses, including Booths' competitors, Morrison's and Asda. Similarly, Greggs, the UK's biggest bakery, uses the app. Booths will put X amount of magic bags for sale containing their leftover goods. These bags are collected at Booth's chosen time frame and sold at cost plus admin fee. Therefore, each sale will reduce Booth's food wastage and overall cost. The store manager, Hannah Woods, conveyed Too Good To Go was considered, but central office's Colin Porter argued the service was not a feasible option within the business culture. However, for the case study, we pitched the service could be an opportunity to reduce food waste during the 3 days of no donations. As for the 20 stores without a food bank champion, the service would act as a temporary solution for food waste reduction until a charity is found. From this, the store manager declared the service should be reconsidered and reproposed.
To reduce food waste by 15%, Booths will need to analyze their forecasting system more frequently and invest in Kitro. Although Kitro would increase costs in the short term, the software would help the company in the long term as it helps reduce food waste and reduce fixed costs with increased efficiency. However, there are too many uncertainties in the future, making the predictions less accurate. Whereas Too Good To Go will be able to sell the remaining waste as a package working alongside their food bank champions, allowing Booths to reduce food waste as much as possible as it fits in their business culture.